Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be sharing the recipe of coffee ice cream cake. All the ingredients and their measurements can be found on my blog delishstreets.com. The link is given in the description box. Start by mixing 2 teaspoons of instant coffee powder in 1/4 cup of cream and microwave this until the coffee is fully dissolved. To prepare the ganache, heat the cream in the microwave and pour over the chocolate. Let this sit for a few seconds and then mix well to form a ganache. Let these cool down completely. Meanwhile, take around 150 grams of crushed Oreos and add in 1/4 cups of butter and mix well. Prepare the mold by greasing it and placing parchment paper on the bottom and on the sides. The mold can be of any shape as long as it's a springform cake mold. This makes it easier to demold the cake. Add the Oreo base in the bottom of the greased mold and refrigerate this for at least 10 minutes. Meanwhile, to make the ice cream, whip up the cream to medium stiff peaks. Now to this, add in the coffee and cream mixture and beat this well to combine. Also add in 2 tablespoons of the chocolate ganache prepared earlier. Finally, add the condensed milk and beat this well once more. The mixture will deflate a little, but that's okay. Swirl some of the ganache into the ice cream. Now add the ice cream into the mold and dollop some ganache in between. Freeze this for at least 5 hours. Demold it and let it rest for 10 minutes before cutting. I hope you liked this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.